What is up, everyone? Nate Kopic here from Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Tradesman. Stock number 28359T. This one is white in color. Does have basically a standard front end. No extra lights or anything. Base model, really. Some nice silver painted wheels here. Let's see what size they are. 18s. The new chrome 1500 Hemi 5.7 badging. Take a look on the inside here. It looks like we have the power mirrors, windows, and locks. It does have the rubber floor mat in here, which is nice. Makes it easy cleanup for a work truck. The premium leather seating. Real nice center console here. This thing also does fold up. Has a little headrest type deal here. That way, someone in the middle can be comfortable. Got your radio. Options to connect your phone. Down here, sorry. 5 auxiliary options. 2 are micro USB, 2 are regular USB, and 1 auxiliary. We got your climate controls here in the center. A little space there in the dash. This truck is 4-wheel drive. It does have push button. It's on the fly. Premium leather wrapped steering wheel. We got things for your cruise control here, stuff for your towing, your gearing, hands-free options, and then this controls different options up here in your gauge cluster. Little cup holder here in the door. Take a look in the back here. Again, this does have the rubber mats all the way through the truck. Back here in the back, we have these storage containers. They are removable. Makes a real nice cooler for your soda on the road. Back seats do fold up. Gives you plenty of space in there if you want to haul your tools or whatever your work truck desires. This truck does have a backup camera and is fully equipped to tow right from the get-go. This is a pretty clean Tradesman. Crew cab, 4-wheel drive, rubber floor mats. Nice work truck. Again, I'm Nate Kopic. We're looking at a 2019 Ram 1500 Tradesman, stock number 28359T. Stop in and see me today or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit the website at sherrychrysler.com.